In stage 55 of pack 17, we're going to be adding more parts to the bonnet. So take the bonnet from the previous stage, okay, and these parts, and with the backing paper strips, place the backing paper strips as shown here, okay, and once you've done that, starting off on one side, carefully remove backing paper. Like so, and then taking one of the guard plates, making sure that you got the orientation correct, placing that carefully over the guard like so, and then carefully, just gently press that down. Do not press down too hard on the grilled area, okay? Do exactly the same to the other side. Okay, placing the grill, in position, making sure that the holes are lined up, and then carefully squeeze that down, okay, so you've got both of the grills like so. Okay, next, take the bonnet strap, take one of the small countersunk screws, place that in the hole, and then carefully screw that down into the side, being very, very careful that you don't press too hard. Just let that screw in like so, okay? And there you go, there's your hinge. Don't worry about it being too loose at the moment. Just gently tighten that up. Okay. Next, you want to take plates and once again removing the backing, placing those down into position, and once we've done that, we'll come back, we'll place a couple of screws either side of the mesh, and we'll put the gold sticker on one of the rain plates. Now, as you can see, we've got the remaining rain shields on, like so. Once again, removing the sticky back tape, placing those on. We've also put a couple of the 4mm countersunk screws in each side, securing that. And then next, making sure that you get the orientation of this correctly. as per your instructions. Carefully remove the sticker. From its backing, like so, and then making sure that you've got the orientation correct so you could read it, making sure that that goes in that position. Like so, okay, and that completes this stage. In stage 56 we're going to be connecting the left air duct hose, so just take the two hose parts and just double check, test fitting, making sure they go in. You'll notice the way that it's got the little D shape, okay. Once you've done that, carefully remove the backing paper, okay, and then push that down into position, and that completes this stage. In stage 57 we're going to be working on the left rear wheel box. So take the left rear wheel box that we have here and also take the left outlet louver, okay, quarter window, and then basically place that carefully into position, making sure that the 4 pins carefully go into the holes. Do not press too hard, alright, because you do not want to crack the glass, alright. So push those down carefully into position, like so, okay, and next we come back and we'll start adding some more details. Take the left air intake from stage 63 and just carefully place that in position, making sure, okay, that the hole and the little pin line up. Okay, once you've done that, turn it over and then take a 6mm screw and screw that down into position. Next, take the left air duct hose that we fitted earlier and place that in position as shown using one of the 6mm type screws. Next, take the left intake housing and place that over the 4 pins and screw that or push that down into position, and then take the hot air deflector, place in that and then screw that down into position using 2.6 by 6mm screws. Once you've done that, take the left intake housing, place that on top like so, and carefully push that down into position. Okay, and that completes this stage.